What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Trust Watch Only wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so here. But first things first, let's go and discuss a few things. Now, if you've added a watch only wallet here on Trust Wallet, there are a few things that you need to know. Now, for watch only wallets here, you can only view what is happening on that specific wallet, which in this case, you won't be able to do much here unless you have access to a private key or a secret phrase that you could use to basically add that into your account. But since this is just a watch only wallet, you won't be able or you won't have any control on the funds on it. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and answer, can you actually withdraw money from it? Now, by the way, this is directly from Trust Wallet themselves. Now, in this case, if you're going to ask that, you cannot withdraw any funds from a watch-only address. Again, like what I said before, you need to have the private keys or the secret phrase for it in order for you to have control or access to the actual funds that it has. So unless you have access to those, you won't be able to change or withdraw money from those watch-only addresses. Now, by the way, just be aware of scams that may ask you that say that, hey, we can withdraw those funds for you on those watch only addresses. Just be careful of those scams here. We just want to be truthful and just basically provide you the necessary details with using Trust a Wallet here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.